in grammar.
Very good.
Which number?
7070.
Ma'am, in grammar, na?
Marigold. We are still left with the exercises, no? Exercises of Alice in Wonderland.
Ma'am, which page number did you say? My network issue was there.
7070.
Okay.
Still 17 children are only there. 16, 18.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, what happened?
Ma'am, I need that
Vishrut, why you logged in twice?
Ma'am, because the laptop is not working properly, that's why. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Good morning, ma'am.
What happened, Vishrut?
Ma'am, my laptop is not working properly, that's why I'm from two devices.
So keep one device mic off because your voice echoes when you talk. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manu.
Ma'am, which page number did you tell?
70. 7070 of your marigold book.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay. We were on Let's Talk. This is an oral exercise we are going to do. Describe some of the sounds that you hear at night. So, what all sounds do we hear at night if you go for a walk outside? What all sounds do you hear? Tell me. Yeah, Bihan. What do you hear?
We hear things like something that that is still at the night it lights. We hear his sounds and sometimes other animals also we hear.
We hear sounds of animals. Okay. Niva, what do we hear?
Ma'am, at night when it's quiet, it's all like quiet. We can hear some sound.
You know what sounds are these? These are the sounds of the insect called cricket.
Yeah, I was
Yes.
saying that also.
It's the sound
Because
of, it is a very shrill,
it's like
squeaky
a,
sound and it's very disturbing. So if you
ma'am,
have
when
some,
we walk or when we hear it,
Huh.
it's like very near us.
yeah,
Really
it
near
looks
us.
like it's very near, but it's not near. It has a very squeaky and a shrill voice. So even if it
It's
is far,
following us. It's like that. It's
yeah,
following us.
yeah. Anybody else with a different answer?
Ma'am,
Yes,
which
Vedant.
page number?
Rajveer, page number 70, 7070 of your Marigold book. Yeah, Vedant.
And the one owl's noise comes.
Owls. I've never heard
And
owls.
also
Actually.
stray dogs bark at night
Stray dogs. Stray dogs bark on the
and
street,
howl.
so we can hear that, right? We can hear the stray dogs howling, barking on the street. Okay, imagine that you're Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? What would you do if your partner is a rabbit? Your friend is a rabbit. Yeah, Vishrut, what will you do?
I will say that where are you going? I will come with you.
Wherever it is going, you will come. Go with him. Wherever it is
Yes,
going.
and sometimes we will wait that why he's not coming, so we will go.
Dhyan, what will you do?
I will not
Rabbit.
make friends.
Huh?
I will not make friends.
You'll not make friend with a rabbit. Oh, rabbits are so cute. Have you seen a rabbit? My sister-in-law has two rabbits.
Ma'am,
And the name of
I
those
live in a
rabbits are
society. My Masi has so many society.
Bun
Flat,
Bun
so there are so many cute rabbits down there. There are
and they're
birds
very
over
naughty.
there. We have pet them down.
Yeah, she has kept two pets, two rabbits as a pet.
Ma'am,
One is
ma'am,
Bun
if
Bun
my
and one is
my
called
rabbit
Fluffy. Bun Bun
and
and
there are birds over there. Then there are lovebirds also. Lovebirds are there. Every bird are there. Then there are ducks are also there.
And do
Ma'am,
you know
if
what
my
do they eat? They eat cabbage. They eat
yeah,
leaves of cabbage
ma'am, if my friend was
Yeah,
a rabbit, I would
and
go
carrots.
behind and jump into the rabbit hole. Rabbit eat corns also. So we have corns only. Ma'am,
Okay.
in my house there is rabbit. Not rabbit, bird.
Birds. Which bird do you have?
Lovebird.
You have lovebirds at home? Show us one day, no?
Ma'am, I also have at my after ending class.
Yeah, we'll see it after the class, before the class ends.
I also have lovebirds, but at my nanny's place. But there are blue and green. The blue one is dead now.
Okay, so what do you think Alice saw in the garden? We saw the whole story. So what all did she see in the garden? This was a question in the
Ma'am, she saw
question answers also. Granth, tell me what all did she see in the garden?
Flowers, green grass, trees, fountain.
And something unusual that she might have seen in the garden. Did you see that? No, I will not tell.
Then may I?
Moksh.
Can I say?
Wait.
Can I
Ma'am, she saw cool fountains and means colorful beds of flowers, that things, and mushroom.
Mushrooms. What kind of mushrooms were there?
Ma'am, that mushroom
It
was
was some unique mushroom, no?
yes. What, ma'am?
What was so unique about that mushroom that we saw?
Ma'am, that if Alice will eat this side of the mushroom, she will get taller, and if she will eat this side of mushroom, she will get shorter.
Short, very good. Yeah, Manya, what all did she see in the garden?
Ma'am, she saw many flowers, cool fountains, and she met many animals and some madmans.
And she saw that animals were having a tea party on a dining table. You got that
Yes.
also? They were having
Yes.
a tea party with cupcakes and all those things on the table, right?
Then she saw a queen of hearts.
Then she saw Queen of Hearts also. What was so unusual about the Queen of Hearts? Tanya, what was so unusual about the Queen of Hearts?
Ma'am, the queen loved her color red.
Yeah, so what did she instruct all the men in her court to do?
She instructed to do the flowers red. Color the flowers.
Yeah, so they wanted all the flowers which were white in color to be painted red. Yes, Manya, you had to say something?
No, ma'am. By mistake.
Okay. Okay, so how could Alice have got into the garden? We all know how Alice got into the garden, right? Viva, how did Alice get into the garden?
She followed the rabbit and went in the rabbit hole.
Yeah, she jumped into the same rabbit hole in which the rabbit jumped and followed the rabbit and reached the pretty garden. Okay, now we have to find one word from the story that means to walk fast. And that word starts with H. Bhavya, what is the word? To walk fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what the word starting?
What?
Ma'am, what the word starting?
Ane, what are you asking?
Ma'am, word start with
Can anyone hear Ane properly?
Ma'am, I can hear.
Hello, ma'am. What is meaning of inclusive?
ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
hello.
Anna is saying that what is the password of the A1?
What is the Vihan? What is the
Excuse me, ma'am. Password of the A1. Anna is saying that. Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah, Mane?
Tell Bhavya to off his mic because from his side it is echoing.
Bhavya, you didn't give me the answer to number one. A. Give me a word from the story which means to walk fast, and that word has to start with the letter H.
Hello, ma'am. What is
Do
meaning
you know
of
the answer,
inclusive?
Bhavya? No.
Ma'am,
Grant,
hurry.
give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes or no if you don't know the answer, then we can move on to the next person.
Ma'am, I know the
Grant,
answer. Hurry. Hurry.
do you know the answer, Grant? Not even answering. Ane, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, hurry.
Hurry, correct. Hurry. Hurry. To walk fast means to hurry up. Okay, happy. One word from the story which means happy and starts with the letter D. Yeah, Danya, what is the word?
Ma'am, it's disappeared.
Huh? Disappear means to disappear. It means you're not there.
Ma'am,
Huh? What is it? Viva, what is it?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. What is another word for being happy? Moksh?
Ma'am, delight.
Very good. Delight. 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 I am delighted to hear this news. Don't we say that? I am happy to hear this news. Delight. Number three, at once. At once. Something to do at once is something to do, Vedant. Something to do
Quick,
very
quick.
quick. At once means quick or maybe quickly. You can make an adverb. Quickly.
One time.
Quickly. Quickly. Move fast. Move fast. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, scamper.
Very good. It starts from the letter S, so it has to be scamper. We have done it in word meanings also. You remember scamper, to move hurriedly. Okay, to think. Divit, give me the answer. To think. When you're thinking, but we are W. It starts with a W. When we are thinking, we are
Mummy, I think.
yeah, Rajveer. Priya?
Wide.
Huh? What?
Wide.
Wide. W-I-D-E. Wide. Wide means to think. That word should mean thinking. So what is the word?
Imagine.
Yes, Vedant?
Wonder.
Wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. I wondered what was happening around me. I was thinking what was happening around me. To be seen nowhere. To be seen nowhere. Yeah, Viva.
Disappear.
Very good. Disappear. This starts with a D, so it has to be disappear. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R. Disappear. Let me. Okay. To be inquisitive. To be inquisitive means one who likes to ask questions, one who likes to know everything. So to be inquisitive, yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, curious.
Curious. It starts with C, so it has to be curious. One who loves
Curious.
asking questions. Okay. Now we also the next exercise also we have to give another word for the ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences and write the opposites of these words and make sentences with them. Again. Okay, so what is the opposite of lovely? What is the opposite of lovely?
Hate.
Huh? What?
Hate.
Opposite of lovely is? Who's saying?
Ugly.
Lovely, ugly, bad,
Hey.
horrible,
Horrible.
horrible, terrible. Anything we can write.
Disgusting.
Horrible, terrible, ugly. Okay. And then we have to make sentences with those. Give me a sentence with horrible. Vishrut. Give me a sentence with horrible.
In my dream, I saw a horror movie.
Horror movie and a horrible movie are two different words completely. Horror movie is which makes us scared, which scares us, or we get scared after watching that movie. And
Ma'am,
horrible
scary movie.
very bad. So it is different. Viva, give me a sentence for horrible.
Hello, ma'am.
Ane, switch off your mic, please. Yeah, who's asking something?
Hello, ma'am. We can write. I saw a horrible horror movie.
I saw a horrible horror movie. That means maybe that horror movie was not supposed to be scared of. Yeah, Manya.
Ma'am, with the word horrible, we can make the sentence like she looked horrible when she came in the class.
She looked horrible when she
Came in the class.
came to the class, when she entered the class. She looked horrible with after her makeup got spoiled in the rain. She looked horrible after crying. Okay, so the next word is talking, and the opposite of talking is Danya. What is the opposite of talking? Somebody is always talking, and the other person is Rajveer.
Silent.
Huh? What?
Silent.
Silent, quiet.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Vedant, give me a sentence. Yeah, Moksh, what happened?
Ma'am, I can say the sentence.
Yeah, Vedant.
There is a kid who always in my football classes always seem to be quiet.
Correct. Listening. What is the opposite of listening?
Ma'am, saying.
Talking.
And
One is listening. So what is the other person doing? He's doing the
Saying or
opposite.
talking.
Talking. Okay. So the other person is talking. Next is see.
ma'am, when
See.
we will do spelling test?
Huh?
When we will do spelling test?
We'll do right now. Opposite of seeing is what? Somebody can see and the other person is
Blind.
blind. The other person is blind. Center. Center.
Bottom.
Corner. Corner.
Uh, center can be somebody who's in the center,
Ma'am, middle.
can be outside also. No, no, middle is correct, but we have to give the opposite of center, right? We have to
Ma'am,
give
bottom.
center, bottom, opposite we can write. Okay. I'm sending you the test. This is the exercise we'll do tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm also going to give you a comprehension that you have to do in the class. Okay, you have to read the passage and do the comprehension. There is no preparation required. So we'll just do comprehension practice tomorrow.
Tomorrow is
Huh? Tomorrow is CT?
future tense.
Tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, I'll just check.
Future tense.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll have that. So future and CT we have tomorrow? I don't think so.
And we have done
Yes,
present.
ma'am, it is there.
Ma'am, it is there. We have done also.
What we have done?
And we
Future
have done
tense.
future tense.
CET is there on Wednesday.
I've posted the link in the classroom and the chat box also. Children, it is on tomorrow, 25th, future tense. And day of on 27th we have unit 4 test, poem Why and Alice in Wonderland.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, in my one it is showing wrong, but my spelling is right. It is showing we have to do one word capital, but you say that we have to do that small only.
Yes, ma'am.
In Wednesday.
My also.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, my Wednesday spelling is right, but it is showing wrong.
Because it is a proper noun, so I have written it capital. But it's okay. I'll mark that correct. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you.
Okay. Ma'am, because you only say that we have to write in small letters.
But I thought it's a proper noun, so you all will write capital. I forgot to tell you all. It's okay. I will give you marks.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your mic is. Ma'am, why did you not attend the writing class tomorrow or yesterday?
Yesterday. And today, group 2 children, please be there. Group 2 names I've already posted in the class. Jikar, what is this? What are you showing me?
Ma'am, in the when I joined in my iPad na, so the mic was off only. So I think I joined in my mama's phone and do sit in my iPad. Excuse me, ma'am. Look.
Oh, wow. Let me pin you. Where are the birds? Oh, they're in that corner. Where? How many of them are there? Two.
There are so many.
So many. I can see yellow ones. A lot of yellow ones.
I got marks 10 out of 10.
Ma'am, in 8-1 you will speak cheese and please both.
In which one?
8-1.
Eighth one. Eighth one is please. Please go. Please switch off your mics. That one. Please. Who all are still doing the dictation?
Ma'am, Neva.
Okay. Rest of you can leave and get ready for your next class. The time is up.
Bye,
If you
ma'am.
cannot finish,
Bye, ma'am.
silently. Rajveer, have you finished? Moksh, Neva, Grant, Ane.
Bye, ma'am.